This is one of the foods I like to eat quite a lot in Japan. It's called Nikuman, and today I tried to make them myself. It actually worked pretty well. I was surprised because I thought making them would be really difficult to get them nicely shaped, but it was actually very easy. I will also introduce you to this Japanese drink. It's called Ramune, and the special thing about it is the way you open it. Great! I didn't let go, but it still exploded. I will now show you how to make Nikuman. To make the dough, put flour into a bowl, then add salt and baking powder. Sugar and yeast are dissolved in lukewarm water and added to the dry ingredients. Mix and knead everything well until there is no flour left. Add oil. Knead again until the dough feels smooth and not oily. Then let the dough rise. For the filling, all the vegetables are cut into small pieces. Because thinly sliced meat is not sold where I live, I had to freeze the meat and cut it myself. I then cut the thin slices into 2 cm stripes. Heat sesame oil and brown the onions. Add meat and vegetables. Fry everything for a bit. Soy sauce, mirin, oyster sauce, and chicken broth are added. Season with salt and pepper. Simmer until nearly all the water is gone. Add cornstarch and water to thicken the sauce. Cut it into 6 equally big pieces. After forming spheres, let them rest for 15 minutes. Roll out the dough and try to make it thinner towards the edge. Place some filling onto the dough. First, go around the circle 1 time and make those little folds. This produces an opening on the top. Now go around another time, making more folds to decrease the size of the opening. Finally, pull the opening upwards and twist the dough to finish a beautiful bun. Start heating water. Cut parchment paper and put the buns onto the squares. Reduce the heat to a gentle boil. The buns were kept under a wet towel to prevent drying. They're very carefully placed into the steamer. Steam for 10 minutes. Be very careful when opening the pot and taking out the buns. Niku in Japanese means meat, and man means something like bun, so it is basically a meat-filled bun. They're not actually Japanese, they come from China. Let's give it a taste. Wow, I actually like this a lot. I'm definitely going to make this again. The dough is very, very soft, and it has just a very slight yeast flavor to it. The filling, I don't know, it's very hard to describe, but it has onions, it has meat, and mushrooms, which already have a great flavor. And then there is also some soy sauce and oyster sauce and chicken broth, so it's just a very tasty umami flavor that I really like. I definitely recommend making this. It's not difficult to make. Now that I've finished eating, let me introduce you to this drink. It's a Japanese soda drink. It's called Ramune. And the special thing about this drink is the way you open it. Instead of just having a screw cap, it has a glass ball inside the cap. You have to push down hard and the marble falls into this chamber and then you can drink. If you push it down and you let go because you're surprised, it just explodes. Now this cap comes off. One has to take off this ring to be left with this part, and then one has to really push. The times I've had this, it didn't explode on me, and I'm determined to not let it happen this time as well. And let's see. Cooling the drink reduces fizzing, so don't make the same mistake I did. Cool your Ramune. Great. I didn't let go, but it still exploded. That's nice. Let me... Yeah, but you can see the marble. That was not a good demonstration. It wasn't supposed to happen. It's very fizzy. And I think you can actually get the marble out of this. Anyway, I hope that you like this video. I really recommend to try making those pork buns. And really, if you can get your hands on this, try this. It's quite fun to open, but be careful. Thank you for watching. Kanpai!